Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make these beautiful woolen earrings. So let's get started. To make this, take a pencil and wool of your choice. The length of the wool should be a little bit more than twice the length of the pencil. Now hold the piece of wool which we had just cut on top of the pencil like this. Then start wrapping the same with another piece of wool till the end of the pencil. Make sure to wrap the wool a bit loose. It will make it easier when we get the wool out of the pencil. When you're done wrapping till the end of the pencil, cut the wool leaving a little bit as shown. Then tie it with the piece of wool which you attached to the pencil earlier. Then remove the wrapped wool from the pencil slowly and carefully as shown. Next step is to squeeze the wrapped wool as shown. Then tie both the ends of the wool tightly as shown to form the flower. Now cut the extra wool as shown and pull the flower to even it out. To make the flower more beautiful, attach a bead to it using a needle and thread as shown. Open a jump ring and attach it to the woolen flower like this. And then after that, take an earring hook and attach it in the jump ring and close the jump ring. Now your earring is ready. To make the other earring, use the same process to make a pair. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give your comments and suggestions.